In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create product bundles in Shopify. Whether you're looking to increase your sales, simplify shopping for your customers, or just make your store more appealing, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard and go to the Apps section in the left-hand panel. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Search Bar and type in Shopify Bundles or simply Bundles. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. You're specifically looking for the free bundle add-on created by Shopify, which makes combining multiple products into a single bundle effortless. Next, click on the app to view its page on the Shopify App Store. You'll see an option to install it. Go ahead and click Install. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once installed, the app will appear under your Apps section in Shopify. Click on it to open the app and start creating your bundle. You'll see a button labeled Create Bundle. Click it to begin. Here, you can give your bundle a catchy name and add the products you want to include. If your products have variants, like sizes or colors, you can select which ones to include and even set a default variant. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you have your product variants and media ready, and think about the theme or value of the bundle beforehand. Doing this can save you time and help create a more appealing bundle for your customers. Once your products are added, click Save and Continue. Fill out a description highlighting the benefits of the bundle, upload images or media to showcase it, assign it to a category, and set your bundle price. After completing all these details, click Save. After that, you should be able to see your bundle live in your store, ready to attract customers and encourage multiple item purchases. It's also a good idea to test the bundle from your storefront to ensure everything looks perfect and functions correctly. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create product bundles in Shopify easily and efficiently, boosting sales and enhancing your customer shopping experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might benefit. Why not make someone's day easier?